Tornado on the ground! Tornado on the ground! There it is. Tornado sirens going off in Beloit right now.
Tornado sirens in
Someone
Beloit.
wants to post that.
We have tornado sirens in Beloit, Wisconsin with an intense couplet right on our tail.
Charlie, funnel? Charlie! Tornado? Tornado on the ground! Tornado on the ground! Tornado on the ground! Charlie! Charlie! There's a tornado on the ground right now!
Go. We gotta go back.
We have to go, no, we need to go to the highway because this road's ending.
We have to go back south. We had a tornado.
Put out, I will. You want the phone number otherwise?
No, I'm gonna put out a tweet. Dude, holy cow. I'll keep an eye out for it.
Yeah.
Tornado warning.
It's delayed. Yeah, one of your leads.
Oh yeah. More hail. Oh yeah.
No one on the road. Oh! right there. Wow! I got it! Austin. Oh,
yeah, that was definitely a tornado. Look at this field.
oh my god.
That thing.
That was a beast.
Oh yeah.